Hi guys, welcome back to another video on a Driven 24/7 YouTube channel. My name is Amber and I am in my Abarth 595 Trofeo, just going to go and get some fuel because she's her first little car because she has a small tank, which is really annoying. If you're new here, it'd be great if you could subscribe. Nearly at 1,000 subscribers. It's taken far too long to reach that goal, but if you could help by subscribing, that'd be great, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you're the first to know about when a video does go up onto my automotive YouTube channel. Right. Go, go, go. So if you're wondering why my Trofeo doesn't sound as loud as it does, it's because I'm doing a little bit of a scientific experiment, and I've been having her not in sports mode. So basically, if she's not in sports mode, it sort of sounds quieter, there's not as much sort of acceleration response, if you see what I mean, and the steering goes a whole lot lighter. Now I'm doing this to see if it's any better on fuel economy, and I think it is. So don't get me wrong, I do have it in sports mode, but not as much as I used to, just temporarily while I just do this little experiment of mine. So far I've flicked through it, I've got no range, which one I'm filling up. So it says I've done 37.5 miles per gallon. Flipping, that's pretty good actually. Usually I swear I do about 34, but I'll set the other trip up on this tank, maybe put it in sports mode more like I would, and we'll compare the two, so that'd be pretty cool. The main reason behind this video is because I haven't made a video in quite a while, and I don't see the point in making videos just to keep my channel regular. Because otherwise it means I'm filming videos for the sake of it, and the modifications are done to the Abarth. I'm happy with her. She's been remapped, you know, she's had a few mods, and I'm happy where she's at now. I don't want to mess around with her. Plus, she's never going to be a forever car, so I don't want to spend too much money on her, knowing I'm going to sell her one day and have to take all those bits off and sell them. So yeah, it's just too much effort sometimes. So yeah, it's just an update video basically. So now I've got this full-time job, I'm getting some regular money and income. It's got me thinking about what should I spend my money on. So yeah, it sort of got me thinking, you know, I've spoken to you about this before, about having like a classic car, and I've had a classic car before, but it was too far gone, it wasn't drivable, so it didn't last very long. And in my previous video to this, I said about maybe swapping this in for like a Lotus one day. Now, I'm toying that there's three options, guys, and I want your opinions because, well, there's quite a few options. A classic car, a Lotus, or Proton, okay? So, what I'm thinking is, I keep the setup that I've got now. So I have the Abarth, leave it as it is because I've played with it enough now. So I have the Abarth, and then I've got a little rare Proton Saturn GTI Silverstone edition, number 8 of 200. Did I say 8 of 200? Limited edition. So I've got that car sitting in my garage. Now a lot of these sort of JDM cars are starting to make a comeback. Now I know she's not technically JDM, she's Malaysian, but sort of JDM Jack, right? So it's got me thinking. I'm seeing a lot of these little Toyota Starlets and stuff around, and there's a big scene for the JDM drift cars and stuff nowadays. Like I said, I consider it a JDM car. It's got me thinking I could absolutely mint her up, so not even buy another car with money, stick with what I've got and mint her up, you know, flipping even get a full respray, why not? You know, make her into a rally sort of spec car, like nice white wheels, flipping massive mud flaps. It's not a turbo car, but I get like an induction kit and stuff. And she's not going to be fast, just make her look cool, and then take her to car shows, and then if people want to buy her at the price that I want her, then they can buy her, and if people don't buy her, I just end up keeping her, simple as really. So that's option number one, keep the Abarth, keep the Proton, don't spend any more money on the Abarth, but spend money on the Proton and invest in what I've got. Second option is, make the Proton roadworthy, because she's currently, well, she's nearly run out of her MOT actually. Get her roadworthy, make her mint, sell her, money I'll get it from selling her, buy a classic car, so something I can take to classic car shows. But then the problems are with that, I am still a little bit OCD. I like a new car, nice paintwork, no rust. So if I get a classic car, it'll have, you know, a few mechanic problems. It'll have, the bodywork's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be a perfect car unless I spend out the money and get a fully restored car, which I ain't got that sort of money, and the Proton won't give me that sort of money. So I could buy a classic car and keep the Abarth probably as well. The third option was to sell the Proton, sell the Abarth, have a Lotus, but the impracticalities, that's a big word, of that is we'd have to use Dale's car as a daily car, which he doesn't like because he likes it's a nice car, the mileage is really going up, and it'll be rare one day, it's like a future classic, and I think so too. And it's quite a nice car, and so I can understand him not wanting to use that as both our run around. It's not really fair on him. Plus, the Lotus being a new car, or even a used new sort of car, it'll be, because it's a modern car, you know, it'll have to be taxed. It'll probably be high tax as a sort of supercar. You know, it's going to be a bit of a petrol guzzler sort of thing. It is going to be expensive to finance. So I think the best option and the most likely option at the moment is option 1, which is keep the Bath, keep the Proton, make it min. I can probably afford to have both on the road at the same time. So yeah, let me know what you think. Option 1, let me know in the comments. Honestly, seriously guys, I want to know your opinions. Option 1, you know, do a build on the Proton, keep the Bath. Option 2, keep the Abarth and get an old classic. Option 3, save up, get rid of the Abarth for a Lotus, and then probably get a cheap daily, because yeah, I want a daily. So yeah, they are the options. Have I got anything else to say to you? I don't know. I think that's probably it. So yeah, I've been totally busy. We've got 2 new arrivals at home. The pitter patter of little kitten feet. Yeah, me and Dale picked up some kittens for free. I mean, what a buy when kittens can live to like 21 years old. So we've got 2 little kittens, and we're trying to introduce my dog to the kittens very slowly. So my dog that doesn't even like dogs is now having to get used to kittens, and she's doing very, very well, bless her little heart. So that is looking good, but slowly, softly, however they say it. It's now going to get dark. I should probably have my lights on because we're in the trees. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to talk to you about the whole car sort of situation, really. We're about to, I keep saying this, I've said this in so many videos so far and it hasn't got done yet. We've still got pads and discs to go on the Proton, and that's a video and something to happen for another day. And then we'll get her MOTable, and then we'll go from there, really. Like I say, don't be able to get some nice wheels, just put some money into the old girl, she deserves it. Give her a good service, you know, little things like that. But that's the more likely option, but it'd be nice to know your thoughts. So yeah, that's where I've been busy looking after kittens, been busy working, and when you've got a new job, you don't really have sort of time for your hobbies because you feel really tired at the end of the day. And even now, my spare time, I don't get much time for the evenings. I work long hours. I'm out on my bar getting flipping, doing errands. I can get petrol so I can drive to work in the morning. It's so annoying. But yeah, and this is the problem when you live in the countryside. You have to drive flipping 20 minutes before you can get to a flipping petrol station. Hence why sport mode is currently off. I've got one very, very important thing to tell you. Something else about me, obviously, because it's my video, so I'll just talk about me if I want to. I turned 25 the other day. Now that is a milestone itself, because a lot of car companies said to me, sorry, you can't take this car out on your own because you have to be 25 or over for insurances. Well, stuff you, I'm 25, so car dealerships, come at me, she says as she checks the DMs and gets no replies. So yeah, hopefully I can now approach more people and say that I am 25, easier to insure, can I drive your vehicles. Talking of insurance, I've been updating my insurance company about the mods I was doing, and then as soon as like the remap got mentioned, they're like, no, we're not insuring this car anymore, it's been tampered with too much. Even though the same company insured my parents' car with everything done to it, for some reason they didn't want to insure mine, so that's a bit crap. So I had to leave my current insurance company, and now I'm with a sort of one that does modified cars, and I've paid it outright, so that's another monthly payment I don't necessarily have to, well, I don't have to think about, so that's all good for the money in the bank. So yeah, that was another situation. My car was uninsured, and I was like, I need to get it insured. Well, it wasn't uninsured, but they were cancelling it, and I was like, I must get it insured ASAP. So yeah, modified car problems, guys. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this sort of random, well, I don't know if you've enjoyed me chatting, but I hope you've listened to me chatting, because I like to have a nice chat. Yeah, let me know your thoughts below. Please do subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers sooner rather than later, would be great. And do follow me on Instagram, although I haven't really been posting on there lately either, but do follow me on there for updates in between my YouTube videos. And yeah, like this video, share it, spread the word of the Driven 24/7 YouTube channel, and I'll see you in another video. But thanks for watching, thanks for your support. If you have supported me, if you haven't, then no, thanks a lot, thanks for nothing. I'll see you in another one, guys. Peace.